I mean, we're just gonna talk, like, what is the worst that could happen, honestly? Sure, whatever. It's gonna be, I mean, I don't know. It's gonna be fine. Holy.
Thanks for taking care